Hola, nihayeres. Welcome back to my channel. Yes, I've been drinking from like 10 a.m. because it's good weather. You can see that, right? This year, sadly, because of this stupid pandemic, I couldn't go or do anything special on the New Year's Day. I couldn't even eat anything special for this New Year. And now, making this sukiyaki. Yeah, we often eat this sukiyaki to celebrate something, like for a special occasion. For New Year's Day, where someone got promoted, blah blah blah. Yeah, even for payday, because it's kind of special and expensive. Bought this Wagyu A5 class Wagyu beef. I completely forgot about this, and then I realized I should do something special for the New Year. For this New Year, look, it has 500 grams of beef. Good one, I think. So I'm using this beef and make sukiyaki. I don't remember how much exactly it costs, but I guess it was around 3,000, 4,000 yen, means 30 to 40 bucks. Please don't get me wrong, I don't need these kind of great things all the time. I still love instant noodles. So today I'm gonna show you how I cook sukiyaki with you here, okay? Let's get started. This is the most important today's ingredient, Wagyu, sliced Wagyu beef. I think I have to cut them later. Okay, this is one type of mushroom. We call it the Enoki, but in Chinese, people call it Mirin. Tomorrow, see. So see you tomorrow. Why is that? Yeah, you're right. And this leaf is Shungiku. I don't know how we call it in English. Yeah, Shungiku. Spring onion. This is Shirataki or ito konjaku. Ito konjaku is made of a root of potato. I don't know, like konjac or something. This is the jelly foam noodle. I'm going to show you later. Another mushroom, we call it the shiitake mushroom. And this is roasted tofu. It's just tofu, but the surface is roasted. We call this hakusai. It's a kind of cabbage, I guess. A very thick one, a very fat cabbage. Okay. I'm gonna use the 2 raw eggs, and yeah, they are for the sauce. The soy sauce, cooking sake, and mirin, sweet sake, and whiskey, Japanese whiskey. It's a country kaku. This is not necessary, but I just want to try it. If you can use alcohol, you just substitute it with water and honey, okay? I forgot to tell you that this jelly cognac noodle need to be boiled because it has very strong smell. You don't like it, okay? Let's get started. First, I'm gonna boil the shirataki, the jelly noodle, and make the sauce. Okay. Put 30 ml of whiskey and 30 grams of sake, or you can just add 50 to 60 grams sake. Okay. And 50 ml of sweet sake, mirin. And let the alcohol evaporate. Okay, and add 50 ml of shoyu, soy sauce. And add, I don't know, 20 grams of sugar. I think that's now. Now the sauce is ready. Very sweet, good. I love this. It looks like this and it's very, very smelly. And boil it just for, I don't know, 1 minute is enough, I think. Okay. I think it's ready, take it out. Eggs can be used as a sauce, so yeah, crack the eggs. And beat the eggs. Just roughly. Like this, done. This shirataki noodle is kind of too long, so you just chop them. Okay. wash and cut this large cabbage. Today I would just cut half, and then I think half is more than enough. Separate the leaf part and the thick part. And cut the thick part like this. Put the ingredients into this pot. And next is Shungiku. Just chop it. I'm gonna keep the green part for tomorrow. We cut like this. Next, see you tomorrow. Cut the bottom part. They stick together, so just separate it. Okay. Shiitake mushroom. Remove the thick part. And do some like decoration. Sorry, you didn't see it clearly, so I'm gonna do it again here.
Cut like this. Oh yeah, I messed it up. I forgot.
If the shape was like rounder, it could be better. But yeah, it's just like this. This is roast dipped tofu. No. I will just use the half of it. I'm gonna cut it into 6 or 8. Okay, 8 pieces. And the shirataki here. Okay. It could look better with some carrot here. But yeah, today I will go with them. Okay. Ta-da! Today's most important player. Yeah. Wagyu sliced Wagyu. Oh yeah, it's kind of large. I don't know how many I have. A lot.
One slice is kind of too big. One slice. 2 slices. No, it's really fragile. 3. It's too big. Okay.
I think this is too big, no? Cut them into 3 pieces, maybe? Okay, this is the Wagyu plate. I'm starving. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! Beautiful sukiyaki. The sauce, eggs, and the nabe, the ingredient, and Wagyu. Beautiful. I'm starving. Let's try it. Start heating. Oh, I just realized this electrical one didn't work. I'm gonna use this one instead. Now it's ready. Whoa. First, use the beef fat. Let's put this Wagyu beef. can be stronger. You don't need to cook too much, just a little bit. And add the sauce a little bit. It's a good beef, it's safe. Can you see this? Just like this. I put in eggs. Great! This is so good. Put the ingredients: the tofu, the mushroom, and negi. Sorry. I'm gonna use the hand. I'm gonna use my hand. Negi, onion. Add some sauce. Cabbage. This jelly noodle has some like chemical stuff and it makes the beef harder. So you have to separate the noodle and beat the beef. Okay? Add the ingredients and put the lid for 5 minutes. I forgot to tell you, regarding this sauce, maybe you can find the pre-cooked one at the Asian market. But if not, try my recipe, okay? Okay, this is how it looks like right now. Looks amazing, doesn't it? This is great. I don't think I deserve this great beef or this sukiyaki. When you try, you can add more sauce from the first step, so you can save a lot of time. And put all the ingredients together first. Please let me finish my sukiyaki, and I hope you enjoy my video. If you like it, please subscribe my channel and visit our website. We export a lot of cute kokeshi dolls. Thank you for watching and see you next time.